The 1940 Ford Deluxe came in over a dozen factory colors, including cool names like Cloud Mist Gray, Yosemite Green, and Mandarin Maroon. The Ford Deluxe in this video features it in the Mandarin Maroon. The 1940 model year introduced the now iconic sealed beam headlights integrated into the fenders, a bold and modern design move at the time. The Deluxe was the upscale version of the standard Ford, offering more chrome trim, better upholstery, and additional luxury features. The dashboard was Art Deco inspired, and the cabin featured Bakelite knobs, chrome touches, and optional mohair upholstery, luxurious for its time. A fascinating fact about the 1940 Ford Deluxe is that it was one of the last consumer vehicles produced by Ford before their factories were largely converted to support the wartime production effort for World War II.